haven't seen my mother in over a year and you won't believe why. In May 2024, my mother, Sonia Damani, a lawyer and political commentator, was arrested by masked policemen who stormed the Bar Association in Tunis. Her crime? Commenting on Tunisia's worsening political, economic and immigration crisis. In one case, my mother is prosecuted for commenting on arbitrary detention, saying that putting people in prison is not an accomplishment. She had the courage to speak out against injustice and racism, and for that she was dragged away, unjustly imprisoned, and is suffering in inhumane conditions. Now, for every injustice she has denounced, the Tunisian authorities have added more trials and charges against her. She faces 5 separate legal proceedings and risks years in prison for nothing more than the words she spoke. Please call on the Tunisian authorities to immediately and unconditionally release my mother, Sonia Damani.